Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Colchester, so let's begin. These are facts about the town. Colchester is Britain's oldest town. It used to be the capital of Roman Britain, but now the capital is London. Colchester is 15 miles, 80 kilometres northeast of London. It's on the River Colne. It's less than 30 miles, 50 kilometres from London Stansted Airport. Colchester is home to Colchester Castle and a football club called Colchester United. These are facts about the station. Colchester, also known as Colchester North, is on the Great Eastern Main Line, 51 miles, 52 chains, 81.3 kilometres down the line from London Liverpool Street, and it's called Colchester North because there's another station in Colchester called Colchester Town, but Colchester North is the unofficial name, just used by bus drivers and stuff. Colchester North and Town are only served by Greater Anglia. In 2018/2019, the station was used by 4.453 million people. It was opened on the 29th of March 1843. It's on the junction where the Sunshine Coastline leaves the Great Eastern Main Line. And that's it for today's Facts of Boom. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on Wednesday for another station. Thank you very much for listening, and remember to stay alert.